Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Chris Grossman Fitness and Nutrition, and today I am going to teach you a step-by-step tutorial of a new dance that we've been learning here at Dance Fit. It's called Jerusalema, so it's just Jerusalem with an A on the end. You've probably seen it maybe on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever. If you haven't, then I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial. We've been learning it in our Dance Fit class here, and so I'm going to put it up on my YouTube so you can have a go at home. Just have a go at your own pace. This has got no music to it. I'm just going to learn the dance, and then I may pop another one up with the music so you can have a go with the music. So it's a simple line dance. There's probably 3 parts to it, so I'll go through 3 or 4 parts, so I'll go through them. It's a 4-wall line dance, so you'll start this way and then you'll turn to the left after every repeat, so you should do a full square, hopefully. Okay, so first of all we're going to start on our left, so we're going to start on a left foot, so we're going to use my left, so you start on your left, because I find it easier to do it this way. So start on the left foot, you're going to tap, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then change to the right and go 1, 2, 3, 4, bring it back, and we've got 4 quick changes, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That is the first part of 4 parts. So fairly simple. I'll go through it again. So we're going to start on our left foot, on my left, you start on your left, and we're going to go out for 1, 2, 3, 4, bring it in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go change, 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 bring it back in. That's the first part. Now we're going to move on to the second part, and then we'll put both parts together. So for the second part, if you've ever seen any of the dances on YouTube, they put a bit of a lead into the second part. Now, this is because we're going to take a step forward. So rather than just bring the leg out first, you're going to walk forward. So that's a good reminder for you to put a lean in. So you know, when moving forward, you can do that. You can just stay up. That's easy. So we're going to lean and we're going to walk forward for 3 counts. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Then on the 4th one, when we bring that leg, we're going to bring it around and turn to the left and turn. So now you're facing this way. Okay, let's do that again. So starting here, fairly simple. We're just going to start on the left foot and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, turn. Okay, now we're going to do a tap on the right foot. So we go tap, and then we're going to do a grapevine to the side. 1, 2, close. So I'll do that again. So we're here. We've just arrived here. We're going to tap. Then we're going to bring that foot across and do a grapevine for 3. 1, 2, 3. Then when we're here, we're going to take a step backwards. So we're going to tap on the right foot again, tap, then take it back. 1, 2, 3. Then when we're here, we're basically ready to start the whole dance again. Okay, so I'll go through that second bit for you. So from here, we're going to walk forward. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. On the 3rd one, we're going to face the left. So we've turned left. So once we've turned left, I'll stand here. Once we've turned left, you're going to tap with your right foot. So it's a tap. Then you're going to go into a grapevine. 1, 2, 3, and you'll have closed the foot. Then you're going to take that right foot again, and you're going to go back. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start this way. So, okay, so I'm going to show you that again from here. So we've got our 1, 2, 3. Then we're turning on 4 with our right foot. Now we're turning to the left. So we're here. Now I'm going to turn here so you can see it on the camera. Our next move is to do a tap. So we tap, then we take it to the side. 1, 2, close. Once we've closed, our last move is to tap again with the right foot. So tap, and then take it back for 1, 2, 3. And then you're here and you're ready to start the dance again. So tap, 2, 3, 4, and change, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's go through it again from the beginning. So we're going to go taps. So tap, 2, 3, 4, and tap, 2, 3, 4. And we've got the change, tap, and change, and change, and change, coming forward. 1, 2, 3, where we turn to the side. Then we're going to do a grapevine, going back the way we can. So we tap first, tap, 1, 2, close. Then we tap with the right foot again, so it's tap, then we take it back. 1, 2, 3, and we're here again, ready to carry on. This time we're turning left, we're facing, so I'll have my back to you. In the fourth time, we're going this way, and then we end up back here. So let's go through that a couple more times, and then we'll go. Then we'll try and speed it up, maybe. You can always pause it, practice, rewind it to the beginning if you feel you need to. So let's try again. So, left foot first, and we're going 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, bring back, and right, and 2, and 3, and 4, and change. 1, right, left, right, then we're going forward. 1, 2, 3, and turn. When we're here, we tap, tap, across, tap, and close, tap, going backwards to here. Then we're here, we're going to go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Tap, 1, and 2 on the right, 3, 4, and then left, and right, left, and right, coming forward. 1, 2, 3. This time I'm facing the back. And then from there, when we're facing the back, we obviously go to the side. So we go to the side. So let's try that again. From here, I'm going to speed it up slightly this time. Okay. So, are you ready? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and right. 2, 3, 4, and change, 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 change. Coming forward. 2, 3, and turn. Tap. 2, 3, close. Tap. Back. 2, 3, ready to start again. So I'll show you again, and then I'll put another track up at some point with some music, and we'll go with some music, and then we can do it full speed. So, are you ready? It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and change. 2, 3, 4, and change, 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 change. Coming forward. 2, 3, tap, and tap. 2, 3, close the feet, tap. 2, 3, to the side. There we go. One more just so you get it. It goes like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and change, 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 change. Coming forward. 2, 3, turn, tap. 2, 3, tap, tap to the back. Here, ready to go again. Now, with the taps, you might find it a bit quick when you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Some people put a bit of a little jump in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You could do that if you're comfortable with that. That's not for you. A few people, I like to give options in my class because I know there's some people that probably can't do that. So if you can't do that, okay, so just a tip, when you're doing the change at the beginning, it can be a bit quick. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Some people like to put a bit of a jump in there. So you've just brought that foot back from here. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 before they walk off. If you can't do that, you can just shorten the movement and tap it like this. Plenty of options. It can be a bit quick, but that's up to you to take your option from there. So we will try it in another video with some music, just to see how we go with it, give you a chance to practice. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube page. On the trumpet, more dances on here, as well as some nutritional stuff too. So if you're into nutrition as well as fitness, stay tuned because I've got lots of great stuff coming up. So, thank you.